Hi families, I'm Leslie.
And I'm Megan.
And today we're here to talk to you about some simple STEM experiences that you can do with your children. Many families think that doing STEM with their little ones is something quite complex and hard. But Megan's here to step us through a really engaging and simple experience that helps test children's thinking and their experimentation with different fluids. So Megan, what is this experience?
So this is called milk art, and it's just got 3 simple ingredients. We just have milk, we've just got normal dishwashing liquid and food colouring, and that's all we need.
So when you're doing something like this with children, what are the things that children learn from doing this?
So they learn about the mixtures, so obviously putting the soap on here and it reacting, so they watch that happen, and then obviously by mixing these together they can see the different colours and watch the colours mix together, and then go from there.
So the paint, the colours in the milk is actually helping to show children the reaction between the soap and the milk, so it helps make it really visible for them.
Yes.
So when you're doing this sort of experience with children, what are the things that you focus on in terms of stepping children through this?
I focus on the language, so it's talking about, obviously we can ask them what the colours they see are, it's talking about reactions, so getting them to understand that that's what's occurring, and obviously we talk about the ingredients as well.
And do they guess what's going to happen too?
Yes, they do, and they make assumptions as well, so they sometimes they may get it incorrect, but at least then we can teach them through the process and we go from there.
Yeah. So doing science experiences with children is not about getting the right answer, is it?
No.
It's about providing them with learning experiences that stretch their thinking.
Yep.
So no wrong answer, but
No.
lots of fun.
Yeah.
So can you show us exactly what you do then?
Yeah, perfect. So we just grab our colours, so I'm using green.
Do you get the children to do the dropping of the colour?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yep.
So that's a good learning experience in itself, isn't it?
Yeah, because it teaches them just to make sure you only get 1 drop, or then you could explain that they could do 2 drops, and so forth. We just pop it in there. And then just using a cotton tip, you just dip it into the dishwashing liquid, and then you just tap it and it spreads.
And that's where the magic happens.
That's when you can see it having a reaction and all the colours are mixed together.
So what do children say when they see that happening? What are some of the questions that they ask you?
They ask why it happens, so then you just explain obviously the reaction process. They ask why the colours are mixing together. For certain, like when you put it this side, it will shoot all the way across to the other side. So they ask why it goes that far, and you just explain that it's however hard they push down is how far it will spread across.
Wow. And of course, the more scientific process behind that is the different tensions between the different surface tensions between the 2 different fluids. But you don't have to get complex with children. It's about cause and effect, isn't it, at this age group? Yeah. So it's okay not to have all the answers, the scientific answers, but it is about having really rich conversations with children and having lots of fun.
Yes, of course.